Welcome to Bike Hub, your number one destination for the latest motorcycle news, updates, and in-depth reviews. Today, we're diving into a truly exciting return, the 2025 BMW R 1200 Saint. Yes, the legendary sport touring machine is back, completely revamped for the modern rider. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of power, precision, and heritage. BMW Motorrad has pulled out all the stops to make sure the R 1200 ST makes a triumphant comeback in 2025. The return of a legend. The original R 1200 ST made waves in the mid-2000s as a sport tourer that blended long-distance comfort with the soul of a performance bike. In 2025, BMW brings it back, smarter, sharper, and more powerful than ever before. This isn't just an update, it's a resurrection. The bike world has been waiting for a proper sport tourer that combines German engineering with long-haul touring capabilities. And BMW has delivered. Engine and performance. At the heart of the new R 1200 ST is the next-generation 1,170 cubic centimeters air/liquid-cooled boxer engine, refined with BMW's latest shift cam technology. This means more torque at low RPMs and smoother power delivery throughout the rev range. The bike produces a solid 130 horsepower and 143 Nm of torque, making highway overtakes effortless and mountain curves thrilling. This updated boxer engine is €6+ compliant, offering lower emissions and better fuel efficiency, a win for both performance enthusiasts and eco-conscious riders. The character of the boxer engine remains unmistakable, but now it's more refined and responsive than ever. Chassis and ride quality. BMW has redesigned the chassis from the ground up. It uses a new lightweight twin-spar aluminum frame that enhances handling without compromising on comfort. The telelever front suspension and paralever rear system return, fine-tuned for better road feel and enhanced agility. Whether you're carving alpine roads or cruising across continents, the 2025 R 1200 ST gives you unmatched stability and rider feedback. Adjustable damping and preload with dynamic ESA, electronic suspension adjustment, ensures your ride is always smooth, regardless of terrain or load. Design and ergonomics. The design of the new ST pays homage to the original. The asymmetrical headlight makes a return, now fully LED with adaptive cornering lights. The fairing is sharper and more aerodynamic, with integrated vents to reduce turbulence at high speeds. The windscreen is electronically adjustable, ensuring maximum wind protection on long rides. The ergonomics are pure sport touring, a balanced upright riding posture, wide comfortable seat, and perfectly placed handlebars. BMW has also added adjustable seat height, ranging from 810mm to 850mm, making it accessible to more riders. Tech and features. 2025 is all about tech, and the R 1200 ST doesn't disappoint. It features a 6.5-inch full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity, navigation, music, and calls, all controlled via BMW's intuitive multi-controller wheel. You also get keyless ride, cruise control, hill start assist, and multiple riding modes including rain, road, dynamic, and the new tour mode designed for maximum comfort on long-distance rides. Other premium features include heated grips, heated seats, TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system, and a new adaptive braking system that distributes brake force according to riding conditions. Safety and rider aids. BMW takes rider safety seriously, and the 2025 R 1200 ST is packed with advanced safety systems. It includes Cornering ABS Pro, Dynamic Traction Control, DTC, Dynamic Brake Control, Engine Brake Control, EBC, Hill Start Control Pro. With all these aids working behind the scenes, riders can focus on the road ahead with full confidence, no matter the weather or road conditions. Touring capabilities. Designed for distance, the new R 1200 ST features integrated pannier mounts, optional hard cases, and a top box for those long rides. The 23-liter fuel tank offers an impressive range of up to 400 kilometers, depending on riding conditions. The seat has been redesigned with multi-density foam, offering maximum comfort over long stretches. Optional lumbar support for the pillion, adjustable foot pegs, and vibration dampeners make this one of the most touring-friendly setups in its class. Colors and customization. BMW offers the 2025 R1200 ST in 3 primary color options: Ice Gray Metallic, Dark Blue Storm, Classic Alpine White with M Sport accents. You can further personalize your ride with BMW's Option 719 program, offering premium materials, billet parts, custom seats, and unique paint finishes. Whether you want a minimalist sport look or a fully loaded touring machine, the new ST adapts to your style. Pricing and availability: premium but worth it. The base model of the 2025 BMW R1200 ST starts at $18,999, with higher spec trims reaching up to $22,500 depending on packages. Yes, it's a premium motorcycle, but when you consider the blend of performance, tech, comfort, and heritage, it's clear that BMW is offering real value for serious riders. Bookings have already started in select markets, and the first units are expected to roll into showrooms by October 2025. BMW Motorrad dealerships are also offering customizable finance options and test rides for early buyers. Final thoughts. The 2025 BMW R1200 ST is not just another motorcycle, it's the return of a legend. It combines the soul of the original with modern technology, comfort, and performance. Whether you're a seasoned tourer or a weekend warrior, this machine is built to thrill and endure. BMW hasn't just updated a motorcycle, they've resurrected a piece of sport touring history and brought it into the future. With precision German engineering and a focus on rider experience, the R1200 ST is set to redefine the modern tourer. So, is the legend finally back? Absolutely. The 2025 BMW R1200 ST is here to reclaim its crown. For more updates on upcoming bikes, detailed reviews, and motorcycle news from around the world, don't forget to subscribe to Bike Hub and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Check the video description for links and more content, and as always, ride safe, ride smart. Thanks for watching Bike Hub, your home for two-wheeled legends.